Professor Kithure Kindiki gatagati ka atongoria angi.
Mutongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto nĩakinyĩirie mbeũ njĩthĩ a Meru kĩgĩna kĩa wĩigithia rungu wa mũtaratara wa Nyota program. Mĩhang'o ĩno ĩkinyanĩirio kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Kinoru Stadium. President Ruto nĩorĩtie mbeũ njĩthĩ kuonjorithia kĩgĩna kĩu nĩguo kũmahotithia gwĩkũria kĩmũtũrĩre.
Mimi nasimama hapa mbele yenu kuwaeleza nyinyi vijana wenzangu ya kwamba nafasi yenu ya kufanya biashara ndio hii.
Oho augite gukinyanĩria riu ni makiria ma mbeũ njĩthĩ 850 na aria magunĩkĩte na kĩgĩna kiu kia Nyota program.
Kufikia leo tutakuwa tumewapatia pesa vijana kama nyinyi 85,000 kufikia leo. Hii program tutakamilisha by 3rd of next month. In the next 2 weeks tutakuwa tumefikia vijana 1,121.
President Ruto ni umagaritio ni atongoria matiganite ari hamwe na munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Professor Kithure Kindiki na uria ugite tabarĩra ĩno ni ya gũteithia mbeũ njĩthĩ na aria marĩ na taranda cia mwanya.
Mradi wa Nyota ni mradi ambao unalenga vijana ambao kwa sababu moja ama nyingine hawakubahatika kwenda masomo ya juu kupata degree ama diploma, lakini Mungu amewapatia talanta, akili nzuri, afya na wako na nia ya kuanzisha biashara, lakini hawana pesa ya kufanya hiyo biashara.
Minister wa Bavate na biashara nini Wycliffe Oparanya oritie mbeũ njĩthĩ kunyitirira githomo kiria mahetwo rungu wa mũtaratara ũyũ akimerira nĩguo kũmahotithia gũbangira kĩgĩna kiria mathukeirwo wega.
Mchukue hii nafasi yenu, nafasi ya kipekee kwa maisha yako wewe kubadilisha maisha yako na community yako. Hii project imeleta mambo mengi, aswa ile mafunzo ya kufanya biashara ambayo wewe umepata.
Ngiribotera Kĩheo TV njĩtagwo Maureen Wanjirũ.
Nĩngatho Maureen Wanjirũ nĩ gũtũithĩranĩria riboti yo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ arĩmi kaunti-inĩ ya Embu nĩ moritio gwĩkĩrĩra kĩo harĩ ũrĩmi mũnene wa ngandamia oro ũndũ ũmwe na avocado na maembe na nĩguo kũhota kũhunia kĩganda kĩrĩa kĩambĩrĩirie mwena ũcio na kĩrĩa kĩerekeire kũrĩkĩrĩra kĩganda kĩu kĩrĩa gĩakĩtwo Machanga mbere ya mũhuro nĩ kĩrĩ hakuhĩ kũrĩkĩrĩra gĩgĩtanywo kuongerera umithio harĩ arĩmi na makĩria a wendia wa maembe na avocado. Kaunti ya Embu nĩ gwetetwo arĩ kaunti mwenene ya ũkũria wa makandania oro ũndũ ũmwe na arĩmi gakorwo magĩthingĩrĩrio gwĩkĩrĩra makĩria ũrĩmi ũcio makĩria na kũrĩa magetha mao marĩtwaraga iganda-inĩ icio.
Our focus in Embu is really to promote value chains that will be able to make value to our farmers. More specifically, we are trying to see how we can be able to ensure that avocado farming becomes one of the key components in Embu County. Macadamia is another value chain that we are looking at. We are also looking at how we can also be able to promote dairy farming in this country and also at the county level. We are also trying to see how Ndengo in some part of Mbere can also be one of the value chain, and also the honey. Miraa is also another thing that is very important for us to consider. But more importantly, what we are saying is that we need to focus on backward leakages. Backward leakages is more issues around production and productivity, where we are trying to see how we can promote our farmers to be able to achieve the projection levels. One of the areas that we want to do is really to support them in terms of looking at quality production of the products at the farm level. And what we are doing is to provide them with qualified seeds that are able to produce more. Also, we are promoting them to have large-scale farming for us to have the quantity that we require. We are also trying to promote extension farming as a component that we will be able to promote farming, give advice, and also do supervision for us to achieve that. The other area we are looking at is to engage our farmers in terms of trainings, sensitization, and also forming circles and cooperatives that will be able to be the vehicle for us to move and also promote aggregation. The focus in our what we call county aggregation industrial park is really to have a system and a structure that will promote aggregation, whereby we are trying to see regional and the zones aggregation centers that will really be able to form the basis for the main aggregation at the CAIP. Also, we are going to have the cold chain component, where we are going to ensure that for the product that will perish within some few days, we have those facilities at our CAIP. We are also going to have a facility that will do agro processing.
Tugithie na mbere thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya hinya wa thitima ni uritie gukinyaniria kwa utambi wa thitima icagi-ini iri kaunti-ini ya Kilifi. Thirikari ikuhuthira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 2.2 hari utambia wa thitima kaunti-ini iyo. Mwandiki munene Alex Wachira ni aruguritie tabarira ya Dabaso na iria ikuhuthira kimanjika kia muigana wa ciringi milioni 11. Wachira augite ati makiria ma family 3,000 na magana meri mwena wa Kilifi ya muhuro mekorwo makigunika na tabarira iyo.
Hii project inawekea watu 189 households hapa Dabaso. 189 households. Kwa hivyo hakuna nyumba hapa hii kijiji ya Dabaso itaawachwa bila kuwekwa nini? Stima. Lakini pia wewe lazima uhakikishe wewe umeweka nini? Metering certificate. Ili watu wa REREC wakija na Kenya Power in the metering stage wakuje wahakikishe wamewekea wewe meter. 189 households at a cost of 11.1 million shillings. Hebu pigie rais wetu makofi. Na kwa jumla zile project ambazo zinaendelea hapa Kilifi North constituency ni projects worth 320 million shillings ambazo zinawekea watu 3,259 3,259 households hapa Kilifi North constituency. Ni kazi si kazi? Hebu tupigie rais wetu makofi kwa sababu 320 million shillings hata nyinyi watu wa Kilifi North hiyo ni pesa kidogo.
Kwa majina ni Caroline Kitu kutoka Dabaso Ward, Dabaso sublocation. Leo tuna furaha kubwa kama jamii ya Dabaso kwa sababu ya mradi huu wa umeme kufika mahali hapa. Ni miaka mingi hatujafikiwa na mradi huu. Tulikuwa tunaona tu kwa wenzetu, tunaona tu kama ndoto leo kwa sababu tumefikiwa. Maana tumepata shida sana, changamoto nyingi. Kulikuwa na wizi sana wa mbuzi kwa sababu ya giza, kumekuwa na wizi wa kuku, kumekuwa hata na watu kujeruhiwa kwa sababu hakuna mwangaza.
Twerekere kugena kuria aikari ya Kakamega ni mamukirite itua riria rituirirwo igoti ria Milimani guku mucii wa Nairobi guteaniria itua ria thirikari nene ni National Government Affirmative Action Fund. Murugamiriri munene wa ngwataniro Roy Sasaka Telewa augite ati ni itua riguteithiriria na kugitira andu kumana na iherithia ritari na gitumi. Tom Arastosh na uria ni umwe wa aikari gicigo-ini kiu augite ati ni manyitite baru igoti agita ariria mundu ndabataire gukorwo akiherithio mbere ya gukorwo agitafanirio uthuthuria.
My name is Tom Arastosh. I'm a youth leader from Kakamega County, and as young people today we are very much happy and we want to welcome the court's ruling today reinstating Mr. Roy Sasaka Telewa, the CEO of NGAF, as the executive CEO again. It's a very good gesture for the youth, it's a very good gesture for the people of Western Kenya, it's a good gesture for the people of Kakamega County. We just want to state categorically that it's important for the executive and any other person to respect court orders whenever they come. These courts are there to serve every other Kenyan, and justice is not only good when it's on your side, it's also good when it's on the other person's side. So we just want to reiterate that the investigative agencies should conduct prior investigation before presenting any documentation to court for further processing, because this matter was ruled in favor of Telewa because there was no proper substantiation of the claims that were raised by the EACC. So we just want to urge that it's important for every entity of governance to respect court orders. I want to iterate that Mr. Roy Telewa is the CEO of NGAF, and we are very much aware of the procurement processes in NGAF. As young people, we follow, and we thank the President for ensuring that there's online and e-procurement services, because this one is the only way we can combat this essence of corruption. So we just want to say that we'll continue supporting him and making sure that he continues to work for every other Kenyan in the 47 countries. This is for the young people and the women who are underrepresented under this affirmative action.
Riboti yo kuma mwena ucio igukorwo igitweka nyaga gukorwo tugikiria no ndugathi harani tugucokereria tukumenyithie mangi.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Thaburi igana rimwe ria 22 ni ndakenire riria manjerire atiri ni tuthie nyumba-ini ya Jehova. O muthenya wa kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagira na ithuĩ Kiheo TV tũgĩkũrehera igongona rĩa kiumia kuma kanitha-inĩ wa Jesus Winner Ministry Roysambu, Nairobi. Nyĩmbo cia kũgoca Ngai, mahoya.
Tunaomba upako wako na neema yako mahali hapa Bwana Yesu mwana wa Mungu. Tunakuja kinyume na kila kazi ya shetani,
kiugo kia Ngai na utungata wa Roho Mutheru.
Wacha nikuambie, hapa kuna agano. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. Na nimesema leo, yule yote ameingia leo, yule ameingia mwaka huu. Mwaka huu kuna utukufu mpya, kuna nguvu mpya, kuna upako mpya.
Ni o kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ o haha ceceni-inĩ ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Come on now. The Bible says that no weapon formed or fashioned against you shall prosper. If this is your confidence, I want you to dance like you never danced before.
Are you ready? Because it's games time. Ni hĩndĩ ya mathako. Timu yaku ĩrĩa wendete mũno nĩ ĩrĩkũ? Cemanagia na athaki arĩa ngũthi arĩa marĩ iheo. Ukireherwo ni Uncle G na Esther Shiko, athaki njorua akĩrĩ ndumo ya iharo-inĩ. Tabarĩra Jerushua rĩiguaga maũndũ onawe ũgakena. Nyitanagĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya wa Jumamothi thaa 7 nginyagia thaa 9 thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ndumo ya iharo-inĩ gũkũ gwa Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, ceceni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano, tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ, nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitanĩra na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riũa rĩa Wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgatereva na kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũkanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco.
Nikigosho kemurutio nyitanagira na nie MC John wa Githomo and the band. Ririkana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku.
Beo ya Ngai ndiumaga, beo ya Ngai ndiumaga, beo ya Ngai ndisinagone, beo ya Ngai ituragira no Ngai.
Na ningĩ no tũrũmĩrĩre nenda-inĩ citũ Kĩheo TV na yakwa kĩũmbe John wa Githomo Official.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nitwacokereria tukunyita ugeni ikereka-ini ria keri na nigetha tuthie na mbere na gukumenyithia thirikari ni yumiritie guteithiriria arutwo aria magumirwo ni ng'aragu iria icungiriirio ni wagi wa mbura kwa ihinda. Mwandiki munene ruhonge-ini rwa utungata wa ciana Hannah Cheptumo ni atongoretie kirugurio kia tabarĩra cia mwanya cia uheani wa irio na kunina thina uria ugumeire arutwo kaunti-ini ya Kitui. Akeria hindi ya uheani wa irio icio mũmbunge wa Kitui ya irathĩro Edis Nyenze augĩte atĩ irio icio igũtwarwo thukuru-inĩ iria irĩ na thĩna makĩria.
These initiatives demonstrate our collective commitment to protecting, nurturing and empowering our children, especially during times of vulnerability, while strengthening education as a foundation for national development. The government of Kenya, through the Ministry of Gender, Culture and Children's Services and the State Department for Children's Services, remains resolute in ensuring that no child is left behind due to poverty, anger, neglect, emergencies or violence. The emergency education support and food distribution we are flagging off today is a deliberate intervention to keep learners in school, safeguard their well-being, and enable them to achieve their full potential.
This food will be distributed in all of the 45 secondary schools. So, and these are the most vulnerable secondary sector. So this food will really go a long way in ensuring that the students remain in school. So I'm also beseech our teachers to ensure now that since we are now getting food, let's not see uniform in the marketplace. Pupils being sent home to go and collect school fees, because I'm sure this is going a long way in maintaining the students in school, because sometimes they go, or most of the times they go because there is no food in school, but now there is food.
We came in support of what is happening, the drought. We were directed last week that we need to respond.
Na riu tugukorwo tugithie mweko imwe nginyagia iharo-ini na kuria gukoretwo na maheni gatagati ka ateng'eri na kuria uthuthuria wigie miaka wambikitwo. Maya mahanikite thutha wa mukana gwikirwo gukirikana aria makunyitikana na mahithia ma kuhenania miaka ni magutacukirio makinya mahiu. Akeria uhoro-ini ucio murugamiriri wa ateng'eri na mbeu njithi Barnabas Koril augite ati munini wake ni arakorwo agithukia ritwa ria ateng'eri guku bururi-ini. Oho mukana ni wikiritwo kuri arutani na aria makoretwo makinyitanira na mbeu njithi hari kuhenania.
In the last few months we have received communication from World Athletics. Some of our under 20 athletes have been investigated because of age manipulation. We took up the matter and we are now following the leads on how it's going to be done. We want to warn the coaches and the parents who might be tempted to manipulate the ages of their children. It is not good, and also it will actually receive penalties not only for the kids but also for the coaches or parents who are involved. So we really urge everyone that there is absolutely no reason why anyone can change the age of their children, because it's not going to help them. It only makes everything look bad because of cheating, and cheating is not allowed in athletics. Also, I'm sure also in schools they are not allowing that to happen. So let us desist from taking part in issues that also can affect the lives of their children. So we will continue doing that, the investigation, and we'll announce the people who are involved. If we find that the parent or the teacher is involved, then there will always be penalties that will follow on that. So, but so far, we are almost winning the fight. We have seen it has gone down. We have sent information to the schools, to the parents, wherever they're involved, and they're aware now that they should not do what is not supposed to be done.
Riboti yo kuma iharo-ini gukorwo igituithiraniria kiheo kabiro thaa 3 tugacokia ngatho cia mwanya ni tondu wa kunyitanira hamwe na ithui kuma kiambiriria nginyagia muthia wa mutamburuko uyu hamwe na aria othe makorwo manyitirire mwaro thiini wa studio citu tuma na mwerekeri wakwa niwe John Ndirango. Ngatho cia mwanya na kweria wakorwo akiri kuria mwena wa live streaming tuma na Eric David Ng'ang'a orokorwo na ario mwena wa uhuri wa bica Vivian Wangeshi ni mutauri na njira ya ciko. Nie njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani akwendithiria utuku mwega.
No